Welcome to the Navi Experience. I'm at Yeeni's and we're about to enjoy some good food. Meet Yeenie, the one who owns this restaurant.
This is so beautiful.
Hi, my navigators. This is Yeenie.
Hi.
So, Yeenie, I have a couple questions for you.
Okay, what can I answer?
How old were you when you knew you wanted to own your own restaurant?
When I was young like you, I love cooking. I started learning how to cook when I was 7, 8 years old, and I want to have my own restaurant when I was like maybe 15, 17.
Second question is, who really mostly inspires you?
My mom was the one. She's cooked very well, and all of the food is the best food ever in the world.
Third question is, who are you looking to inspire?
I think I want to inspire all of the young generations, especially young ladies like you, that if you like cooking, let me know. We can collab, we can cook together, we can have some time, playtime in the kitchen together. How's about that?
Good. Thank you, Yeenie, for introducing yourself. Now, navigators, I'm going to get some good food.
Yes, what's your favorite here?
Maybe a milkshake and some fries and chicken.
You should try the Yenie's burger. We have some patty in there and our signature sauce, which is really good.
So guys, I'm going to order a milkshake, fries, and a Yeenie burger. So my navigators, I made some new friends. This is Harry and his brother Will. So my navigators, I just got my chocolate shake. 1,000 out of 1,000. So, thank you so much for my burger.
Of course. I hope you enjoy.
Thank you. Now I'm gonna try my burger. 3, 2, 1. Yummy, yummy, yummy. My burger is so good. So, if you guys want to try some good food, come to Yeenie's. That's 39 Savin Hill Ave in Dorchester.
Get it. Hey. Get it. Hey. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh, hey, hey. Oh. Uh-huh. Get it. Hey.